Hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Can you open your eyes and sit down? Good morning everyone, I am Vishal of UKG B. Very excited to see your smiling faces here. We heartily welcome our dear Principal Sister Sally, Vice Principal Seema Ma'am, Sister Shiny, our energetic coordinator Nutla Ma'am, respected teachers and my dear friends. Going to have a buzzing good time because today's assembly is all about, can you guess? Yes, that's right, bees. Bees are amazing little creatures that do so many important things. Did you know that bees help plants grow and make delicious honey? And guess what? They even have their own flashing dance to communicate with each other. So are you ready to enter into the wonderful world of bees? Let's get ready. Now I request my friends for them.
Welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn about the reason why bees are so important. Let's start a story in the background of a beautiful garden. Once upon a time, in a colorful garden, there was a lovely flower. But that lovely flower had a problem. She needed help to grow more flowers.
Oh no! I need help to spread my
so that more flowers can grow. Who can help me?
Buzz, flower. I am Bee and I can help you. I love visiting flowers and collecting nectar. While I do that, I spread the pollen so more flowers can grow.
Thank you, Bee. You're so helpful. Bee helps flower by spreading pollen. But Bee's joy doesn't stop there. Bee also helps the farmer.
Hello Bee, I need your help too. My crops need to be pollinated to grow big and strong.
Buzz, I am on it. I'll visit your crops and help them grow.
Bee helps the farmer by pollinating the crops. This means they get to eat yummy fruits and vegetables. But wait, there is more.
Hello Bee, can you help me too? My flowers need pollinating, so I can grow fruits and nuts.
Buzz, of course, Bee. I want you too.
Thanks to Bee, the tree can grow fruit and nuts. Bee helps so many plants and trees, making our world beautiful and full of food.
Buzz, I love helping plants grow. Remember, without trees, our gardens and farms wouldn't be the same.
Thank you Bee.
And that's why bees are very important. They help flowers, crops and trees grow. Let's give a big thanks to you, our friend Bee. Hi everyone, thank you for watching. Remember to take care and protect the bees because they take care of us.
Wow, it's going to love bees. Though we may not see them, we hear them, buzz, sound, and realize some of the fun they are there. But they might be small, but they do very big job. You know what some of the jobs are? Let's find out. Bees make something sweet. Many of us love to eat. Can anyone guess what it is? That's right. Honey. Bees work hard to collect nectar from flower to flower and turn it into honey. Yum. But the bees don't just help flowers make honey, they also help our fruits and vegetables grow. Without the bees, wouldn't the apple, strawberries, tomatoes, all of the yummy fruits? They help farmers grow more food to eat every day. So what can we do to help the bees? Plant flower rich bees, like keep our gardens and ponds clean, be kind to bees and never slander them. We enjoyed getting into the world of bees and hope you all too. Let us be aware of, thankful for all the bees. Bees are our friends. Bees make our world colorful and so many delicious food. Here are some amazing facts about bees. Hello boys and girls, are you ready to learn some super cool facts about bees? Let's get started. Did you know the bees can dance to communicate to each other? It is called Waggle dance. They dance to show other bees where to find flowers with lot of nectar. Isn't that neat? Thank you. Bees make honey. Bees collect nectar from plants and carry it to the honey. They store the honey in their eyes and we get it all understand in our tea. Bees a single can insect to 5,000 flowers in one day. They are very busy helping flowers grow and making the honey. Bees have 5 ways to big eyes inside the bird, 3 tiny eyes on top of the head. This helps them see all directions and find flowers. Bees use their sense to communicate to each other. They release called pleasant smells, pheromones to send messages to other bees.
Bees got to sneeze and they fly with a humming sound. Buzz from the hive every day when the sun shines down. Bees got to go 'cause they know where the pollen lies. Blooming flower to flower as the hours go by. Bees.